Is it Sunday, everybody? Everybody, I have something to show you. Look at this. I didn't wash my face yet. Don't get too close. Hold on. Let me show you up here. Hold on. Can y'all see that? Look at the deers. And then there's two over here, everybody. Over there. Look at the deers. You guys haven't seen these deers in a long time, but it's good to see them. It really is. They are so pretty, aren't they? I love animals, y'all. I really do. Aren't they beautiful, you all? Oh my God. These deers are big. And I think there's a baby straight down the way you are over there. You really can't see it. It's hard to see. Let me take you on my library so we get a better view. Hold on. I think I scared them, you all, when I raised my blinds. See the two deers over there? They are smaller. Much smaller. They got some good ears because as soon as I raised those blinds, the two that was eating off the tree right here on the ground, they ran off. It's going to be a Zen Sunday after all, you all. I really, really love nature. I wish I was out there with them. Anyway, put the blinds back down because it looks like they are going to retreat back into the woods. Okay, let's see if they are still over here. There they go. Look at it, y'all. That's a pretty deer. See how pretty it is? Let me stop. All right, buddy. I turned the camera off because I didn't want the deer to charge towards me because my light is on the camera and deers run towards the light. So there's still a deer right here, right there. Can you see it? Gosh, you gotta love nature, don't you? I love it. The other deers are over here somewhere. They deep in the brush, so it's gonna be hard to see them. But you know they're close by because there's a deer right here. And the deer is looking at me, you all. I had the camera light on, flash it in its eyes, and the deer is looking right at me in my house. It knew exactly where I was. So that's why I turned the camera off because I didn't want them to charge and, my house and bust my windows out. Anyway, I'll be back. Hey guys, the deers are back. Let me give you a closer view of them, all right? You can get a good view of three of them. Hold on. See the deer? He's looking right at me. They just getting their grades on everybody. I love it. Something scared them. Don't know what it is, but somebody got spooked. I'm gonna leave them alone. I'm gonna leave them alone so that they can eat you all. I don't like bothering nature. I like for animals, to live in their own free habitat, in their own, little way. So I'm gonna stop bothering them. I'll pick you all back later. All right, everybody. I got up. I watered my house plants. I have one more to water. So I'm gonna put these plants in their rightful place and water the last one and fix me a bite to eat because I am logged into my work laptop, you all, because I have a lot of work to do. So you all sit tight, and I will return. Oh, by the way, it's Zen Sunday, and how can I forget? I should be fired. Actually, you know what? Let's do it differently this time. Hold on. I'll be right back. Hold on, okay? Okay, I just lit the incense. Oh, let me turn this TV down some. Why the TV so loud, you all? Oh. You guys, I'm about sick of these leaks in my damn house. This is really getting effing frustrating. Really frustrating. It costs money. Every time you save money up, something happens in this damn house. That's why I drink. Oh, let's just finish it up. Let's go ahead and finish them up. You guys, I don't feel like cooking, but I'm gonna cook a little something. I am. So I'll be right back, all right? You guys, I finished what I wanted to finish, so I'm so happy. You guys, it rained earlier today on this Zen Sunday, but this vlog is not over yet. I'm gonna do one more thing for my job, and then I'm gonna get back on camera so that we can chit chat, all right? So do not go anywhere. I'll be right back, all right? You guys, I am sitting in my family room. I'm about to turn on a movie. I'm watching my video now that I uploaded Sunday morning. And I'm gonna find a movie to watch it. Oh, I did work for my full-time job earlier today. So I did some more stuff to this document. Now I'm at a point where I can put everything in one Excel file and do a consolidation. So I'm looking at 3 years worth of data. So I'm happy. So I'm going to put this camera down. I'm going to watch some TV. I'm getting my life, you all. I will go downstairs. It's kind of cool outside. So I'm going to stay on this level in my family room. But I will pick you all up later. All right? Deuces. All right, guys. I am watching Check in Effect. He does a lot. He does a lot of travel vlogs, different countries. Check him out. His Check in Effect. It's spelled C-Z as in zebra, E-C-H. Check in, like the word in, and then Effect, E-F-F-E-C-T. I like his videos. So right now he's in Africa. He just finished up Nigeria. Now he's in Johannesburg, South Africa. So it's really entertaining. Guys, I am back in the bed looking at TV. I'm going to wrap this video up and say that thank you for all my subscribers, my viewers, the people who leave me comments. I really appreciate it. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? I'm waiting for you. So come on, join the family. But I want to thank everybody. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And you guys, until the next time, be blessed, be safe, and remember, mind your own damn business and keep people out your business and stop all this gossiping. Not cute, not good, don't do it. I love you guys. The deuces. I'm out of here. I gotta watch some more TV. All right. Bye.